Hi, this is Dr. Nishal, and in this video, I'd like to talk about fibromyalgia and how we manage it with Ayurvedic medicine and natural treatment. So, you got to look at the pathogenesis and how the condition forms, how the condition develops within the body. So, that's a bit of an issue because fibromyalgia is something that's not very well understood in medicine. But there's a few theories. One of the theories is it's an autoimmune issue. Another theory is that there's a imbalance in neurochemistry within the brain. So these are all kinds of things that we need to look at. But what gives results? That is the main thing. What brings relief? The first thing that I notice with most people who come to me with this condition is magnesium. Magnesium helps dramatically in a lot of patients and a lot of clients of mine. Magnesium basically is for neuromuscular function, and fibromyalgia is a neuromuscular disease. So this really supports the neuromuscular activity, the nerve conductivity, and magnesium is very important. Even the types of magnesium that people consider to be weaker, like magnesium citrate, still gives results. And there was a study, I will post it in the description of this video, of magnesium that was used externally for helping this condition, and the results that was seen in that. In addition to magnesium, another thing that's very important that I've seen great results with is a medicinal plant that is taken in the form of a tea. And what this does is, firstly, the name of it is Passionflower. Passionflower tea. This really helps. And let me explain to you why. You may think, a tea, really? Well, let's see how it works. Basically, in the brain, the thing that calms the whole central nervous system down and reduces your sensitivity to pain is a neurotransmitter known as GABA. Basically, it stands for, it's GABA, and it stands for gamma aminobutyric acid. And what this does is it calms down the entire central nervous system. It relaxes everything. And it's an inhibitory neurotransmitter. Unlike glutamate, which comes just before GABA, it actually gets converted into GABA. That's excitatory, and a lot of that is associated with like migraines and things. So it's very important to support the formation of GABA and the release of it. And one of the things that does this is Passionflower. At the same time, the raw materials of the neurotransmitter GABA are glutamine and vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is very important for this. So most people, when they get this condition, fibromyalgia, they look up um, autoimmune diseases, and they see that there's this condition known as leaky gut, and they start taking glutamine for leaky gut, and they get results. Well, the thing is, it's not necessarily that's the issue. It could be, definitely could be, but glutamine is so good for GABA because it's what GABA is formed out of, that it also supports that and reduces your sensitivity to pain. So consuming things like Passionflower tea is really good for this. Another thing that works on GABA and that works on the central nervous system and that works on the muscles is a medicinal plant that you can get as a supplement. And I talk about this in a lot of my videos because it's so important and so effective, and that is known as Ashwagandha. This supports the central nervous system. There's a lot of research on this, experimental research, human research, in terms of not just behavior and cognitive function, but in terms of depression and in terms of improving endurance. And it plays a role in several aspects of neuromuscular function, and it's very important for reducing the stress hormone known as cortisol, which disrupts the entire body. And stress plays a huge role in the development of conditions like fibromyalgia, because when you get stressed out, there's a thing called the HPA axis, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. And what this does is it gets stimulated. Each thing stimulates the next, and so the adrenals releases cortisol, and cortisol causes everything to go off. It causes an increase in inflammation, an increase in blood sugar, and a increase in heart rates, an increase in blood viscosity. There's so many things that it does that is so bad for your health, and ashwagandha reduces cortisol, and there's a study on that too, and I'll post that in the description so you can take a look at it. These are the things that I use with my clients, and it's part of the whole plan. There's obviously other things that I use as well, certain procedures that are done in Ayurvedic medicine, but that's for another video. And so yeah, these are some of the things I use. I also encourage people to use anti-inflammatory foods, specifically ginger. Ginger is amazing for reducing inflammation and reducing pain, and for supporting digestive function. And it's also showing a lot of promise for the conditions that are associated with neuroinflammation, which is inflammation within the brain, which may also play a role in fibromyalgia. So it's definitely something else to consider: consuming anti-inflammatory foods, going on an anti-inflammatory diet. And so yeah, that was my take on fibromyalgia and a few of the things that I use with my clients and my patients. If you'd like to get in touch with me, you can do so through my website, drsnishal.com. I do online consultations for people all over the world, and you can come see me at the clinic, and the information will be in the information for the clinic will be on my website, and I'll see if I can put a link to it as well in the description for this video. And I'll see you in the next video.